Now we're on Railroad Riches. This can be a fairly hard game. I don't think I've ever seen. Come on, Oscar Wilde. No, it's a train. It's a train. There we go. There we go. We got the bonus. We got the bonus. No, it's the Wild. That's decent. That's decent. That's decent. That's the only way to get the Wilds right there. What do we get? $22. Please be the train. Is it the Wilds again? Yes. Yes. We got it, y'all. We got it. All right. Might have to bag up a little bit here. Might have to bag it up a little bit here. Raise it up. All right. We need those little, I'll show you the symbol. It's like a little light that opens up the next level. There's like a gold gate that can land too. We get the gold gate, we get this train that does, that basically raises the bed up. Not the bed, raises the coins up. I don't know if I'm explaining this the best, but that's something right there. We need that somewhere to go up. We get it down here, we'll go up again on the next one. Don't be the last, man. Come on. We need to open up. We need to open up, please. We're using up a little too much real estate right now. Come on. Come on. No. That hurts. I'm not gonna lie. I got all the money invested into that. $6.40.